Hi guys, today I'm gonna show y'all how to replace seatbelt on a 2013 Chevy Silverado 5.3. Last week I replaced the passenger seatbelt, and right now it's currently working. Now for my driver's side, it doesn't work. So today I went to the dealership and I bought a brand new seatbelt for my driver's side. And right now it doesn't retract until I install it. So I'm going to show you how to do it. A myth that I believe that if you replaced the seatbelts by yourself, that your airbags are going to go off, and that is not true. So as you can see, I did replace my passenger side, and that nothing went. All you're gonna need is Allen wrench and a pair of pliers. And all it is, it's a simple process. Is going to be take this bolt off. You just take this off, this cover off. It's going to be a second one here, and a third one right there. So it's 1, 2 on the bottom, 3. So we're going to take this one off. And it right now it doesn't come off. All you have to do, don't worry, you're not going to break anything. It's just basically pull it. And then that's it. And don't worry about the cover. The new one, new belt, already has the other cover on it. And then we're gonna go over here and take this one off. And then third one over here. Then the next step, you're going to disconnect the sensor and pry it with a pair of pliers. You just take this little piece off right here. There you go. Pop these two. There you go. Old one out for the new. Before you do anything, you must install the sensor first, because right now the new belt is locked. Install that. Do this right. See, once it has power, now it's gonna retract again. So I'm gonna tighten this down. Then middle piece. Slide it in first. Then okay. Oops. I'm going to tie this one. Put that little cover on there. Good to go. It's all set. Now we can pop this cover back. Sure. Okay, right there. Now the last thing, and then put the cover back here. Whoop. Moment of truth. Voila. Took me roughly 20 minutes or less, but anybody could do it.